CAPTcrypto channel was created for the express purpose of bringing the combination of educating friends and associates about the continuing interaction of cryptocurrency, Web3, NFTs, and artificial intelligence. We will provide access to the latest news, insights, and tutorials on the ever-evolving crypto space. We will also feature interviews with industry experts, as well as showcase new projects and startups in the space. Our goal is to keep our members and followers up to date with the most cutting-edge information, and to provide a platform for meaningful dialogue and collaboration. By staying up to date on these topics and sharing your knowledge with others, you can help people prepare for the many opportunities that will arise in the future. And by keeping things simple, you can ensure that your audience can understand and apply the information you provide. Success happens when preparation meets opportunity, and the near future holds many opportunities for those knowledgeable of these four disciplines of cryptocurrency, Web3, NFTs, and artificial intelligence. We promise to keep it simple. Subscribe and get notified so you don't miss a thing. By the way, this video was constructed 100% using a combination of AI tools. It's going to be a great future, don't you agree?